we're just about ready to put the top on, but before I do that, now that I've got those two screws tight down there at the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and snug these up on the side. Yes, one little Allen wrench, just make them snug. You don't have to overdo it and be a He-Man about it. Okay, just snug. Alright. That's pretty amazing. There's only two screws that connect this down to your base. Did you realize that?
Right.
That's it. Okay, shine over here. Everything else just sits on the base, but because it's the weight of it, and you've got blocks in there in a certain place. Somebody came up with a good design there, I think. I got 3 more of these to do in the back, and that's it. Okay, bring the camera over. Now see, these are the 3 screws. If you wanted, you could put this whole thing, just these 2 side panels on first, let's say. I could tighten this down, then you could take the whole base. It'd be kind of tricky. Then you'd have to take that and slide it right into the corner if you wanted to. But then you've got your extension cord to deal with. So you've got to have that plugged in wherever it's going to go, because this is the baby that's got to be plugged in. And we can plug that in now, or we can plug it in later. I'm going to put the top on first, and then I'm going to check the circuit. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if we have the breaker turned on or off, but either way, it shouldn't matter. I guess I could plug it in right now if I wanted to, but I'm not. Okay, what's next? Our next step. You know what? We're pretty much done, except don't forget your top. We're going to bring that top in, and it's going to set right on there. So before we do that, I'm going to turn the ceiling fan off because I just want to be careful about not hitting that. You know, so we're going to go ahead and shut that off. I've got my handy dandy. I've got my handy dandy construction light here. I got plenty of light in here, and that's our next step. We're coming on in and putting the top on. Okay, swivel around, keep going. Okay, stop right there. Now we're going to have to lift it flat. Okay, like this. Got it? Mm-hmm. Okay, get it up there. Keep walking it, keep walking.
Anybody can do this.
Look at that, you got it?
My side's in.
Your side's in?
Yes.
Okay, my side's in too. Oh, here, right here. Okay, I think we've done it.
That's it.
You can line that up like that. You can push that back, have the reveal the same, whatever. There it is. All right, high five.